Hello guys, mega shout out to everyone and happy birthday to me. I'm very speechless. First time in alam mo na yung reaction ko, mixed emotion. I cry, pero syempre I'm very excited, and this one guys is my gift. So yun na nga, lumuluha na ako sa tears of joy. Ano ba yan? Ayan, thank you. God bless you more. Kasi hindi ako mapaniwala sa gift na ito, na I'm very blessed. Kasi yun na, yung hindi ko inasahan na yung gift, yung thank you for having you. Alam mo kung sino ka, and maraming salamat sa iyo kasi how very sweet you are. So tingnan ko, this is the charger, guys, and this is the unit, and this one meron pa siyang cover. So the model is Oppo A58. So medyo mahal din ito. Ayan, this is the phone guys. So ayan, built-in na yung ganda niya. Ayan. So I'm very blessed to. Ayan, marami siyang picture. 128 GB and 28. Yan. Ang ganda guys, oh. Malinaw yung camera. So, camera nga natin. Ayan. So, wala na akong masabi kundi very thank you for this. And very speechless. And that's it. This is my very everlasting na gift na binigay sa akin. This is my first time. Of course, very emotional kasi hindi ko na-expect. So, thank you sa iyo. And God bless you more. And yeah, more blessing to come. And wala na ako sabihin. Thank you guys for watching kasi tears of joy lang ako eh. Hindi ako makapaniwala. So thank you guys for watching and God bless to everyone. And maraming salamat for this.
A few moments later.
Pinayak mo talaga ako, mahal. Pili ko kasi pinaiyak mo.